Match number 40 minus 63 kilograms. White sash.
Go, Miguel!
Aphrodite of the University of the East Judo Club. Blue sash. Fernandez Irish Joy of Kentucky Judo Club.
Lightning, sweep! Sweep! Yeah!
Please prepare happy match number 41 minus 63 kilograms. White sash. Jordan Lady Ontario of the University of Baguio Judo Club. Blue sash. Valerio Reyes from Bogotá Judo Club.
Nice one! Hit!
Woo! Nice, Miguel! Pressure! Pressure, girl! Girl!
Congratulations on winning the bronze medal. On deck, match 34, minus 57 kilograms. White sash, Makati Siren Day from Pasig Judo Club. Blue sash, Alpacet Nina Nastillo from Cuba Bridge Judo Club. This is a bronze medal match.
Yun, oh. Ay, nice, Miguel! Nice, girl!
Winner, White sash, Makati Siren Day from Pasig Judo Club. Congratulations on winning the bronze medal. On deck, match 1, match 55, minus 57 kilograms. White sash, Kirin Tisha Vince from Kentucky Judo Club. Blue sash, Albon Alain Flores from Kentucky Judo Club. This is a bronze medal match.
Rosare! Woo! Congrats, congrats! Woo!
May bronze ha?
Woo! May bronze!
Winner, White sash, Rino Solen Aphrodite of the University of the East Judo Club. On deck, match number 41 minus 63 kilograms. White sash, Kajogan Lady Althea of the University of Baguio Judo Club. Blue sash, Caperio Esteban from the Botas Judo